So I'm here in our North Carolina headquarters, sitting in a conference room using our new ThinkSmart Hub device. This is the perfect solution for almost any conference or huddle room setting. ThinkSmart Hub is an all-in-one meeting room system with integrated speakers, dual microphones, and a touchscreen control display. A clever, compact design reduces tabletop clutter, while built-in audio and video eliminate connectivity issues. In one touch, I can get this meeting started. No more waiting 5 minutes to get connected, right?
And while you're in the office, Richard, I'm using the ThinkSmart View, a device that completely changes how I work from home. It's built on the Microsoft Teams platform, and it enables me to remain productive on my PC while this smart office device handles the video conferencing, the content viewing, and more. So from executives, suites to remote offices to common areas, ThinkSmart View will transform how employees work alone and together by providing a device that works better together with their PCs.
But hey, June, you forgot that Lenovo's Smart Office Professional services are available to offer personalized end-to-end support to help you make the most of your ThinkSmart technology investment. Everything from assessing your collab needs to deployment and maintenance to employee and IT training.
Yeah, you're right. But Richard, you forgot that we have the broadest ecosystem in the industry with devices running platforms from Microsoft, Zoom, Poly, and Google.